is a Government of India program.
Myntri katanat puli puthi urakam sangma hakalai puai tarik urisau. Uong baka jingkeli ban pynskhem purai kinohikai SSA ki bapalat khalai jarngun kami kumbalong menta namar baka sorkar kadang wat lat ban penjam ya kani ka jing kat kum ka jing ong jong Myntri karai ka sorkar ban penjen surya karta hadu sapusan snam na ka benta kinohikai SSA bakan yo ban apply rungkam nohikai kalong kawai na kisin jam balashim dak sorkar ban weng ya ka jing bat ban dan ka jing shngan hakakam kinohikai kani ka jingkran jong Myntri kalawan long hadin ba kinohikai SSA hapo kalama jong ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSA SA kiladawa banwanra ya ka policy ban pynskhem ya ka kam jongki usangma ula ongru ba ka Meghalaya ka de ka jilla ka badan bon kinohikai SSA ka bakot sya ka khatla hajar habayanu jor bat ki wei ki jilla kumta omla satya ban pynskhem mardori kinohikai namar bahaka rukam trekam ha Meghalaya ka pher bak labak naikiwei pat ijilla ngila sengye ki school ba kinohikai SSA bakarpang la slamba ulaong kumta khanang ban ailat yaki mano badehok mano babyang ngikwa ban ailat eki ban apply ban rungkam kat banang mi ki kam ki balan ngila terwa ha kenhun Myntri ban penjalan Jakarta khanang bakin yo ban apply ha kajing penrungkam ke bansawan kat kum kani ya kajing terwala menjor da kenhun Myntri ula banram habakeli Myntri ula ong badan kumbah rus pak teliki kam balaj hakini kisngi ngin penmi yak advertisement shen kitu ki balong qualified MTED kila ban apply bat kin la ban rungkam wat la ki don hakakam Henry ki deban pas MTED namar don ki kendon bat ki rukam badai ban board ula ong ka jingkeli ban penrung ne pynskhem kam la ban mi Henry ka jing ka bakinohikai SSA ki don ka dei namar ba katulap ka wanna ka sorkar India bat ka sorkar Meghalaya lada ka sorkar karai menta kasngi kan wanra jing hakal yang pisa tingka ya ka jela ka ba omla ban long ngi kimi lenti balada kamla banam jia menta Henry kala ban jia lashai Henry ka sorkar ka shim khabha ngidang wat ekilat kilinti baro bat ngidang thaw ya ka formula kumno ban kershan bat kumno ban ayaki ya ka jingshngan hakakam namar ba bon na ki kisngo kya namar ba ka program SSA haus nam arjar arpun rew kan sakut no bat thikna ba an IT no shaka sorkar jela omdan lat shu ban mi kumta ka sorkar kadang wat bnia bat kam no ya mausyang ban weng ya ka jing jongki ula pentikna
This SSA is a Government of India program, and the salary component earlier was 90 is to 10, but today the salary component is 70 is to 30. So maybe Government of India is going to be the 50 for the state and the salary, and the government for the salary component. So like SSA is more or less like, because the salary component is from the government side, be it the Government of India or Government of Meghalaya. The buildings also belongs to the government, right? So having said so, there was the demand and request from the SSA teachers also to accommodate and all here in India. But since the number is very large, we are the highest in percentage, highest in number, 13,000 plus teachers in SSA. So it is not possible to accommodate, to regularize, because the system in Meghalaya is completely different from the rest of the country. We have established a separate SSA cadre schools and teacher, so way back. But now, so in order to give them better opportunity, whoever eligible, whoever qualified, we want to give them the chance to apply for the recruitment as and when the advertisement and the vacancy arise. So the problem is, since as a teacher they are working already for last 10-20 years, some of them has become average. But since they are already working in the department, we proposed to the cabinet that the upper age relaxation be given to them, so that they will be allowed to apply, participate in the upcoming recruitment. Therefore, this is what it is. So the cabinet has already decided to allow till the age of 45 years to those already serving as a teacher to apply in the education department for any government teachers recruitment as and when the vacancy arises. Now normally, now at the moment, about 600 vacancies is there. So we will be, calling for advertisement again very soon. So those who are MTET qualified, those who are qualified, they can apply and they can be absorbed anytime. So, but therefore, just to give them more opportunity, we have given them age relaxation because they are already serving in the department. Therefore, we have taught, department taught to give them rooms, to give them more opportunity, to open them more ways. So whoever qualified, who will be professional, who will be good at teaching, who are well, brilliant, they can absorb. They can always enter into the regular service. Though they are serving, they have to be cleared the MTET bus. Then they will call it qualified. The certain criteria, the procedure will be followed. Yeah, we are doing the step by step. This is you can read the lines. Government is on positive note. You can read the lines. So this is one of the steps that government is on very serious, and we know the problems and issues. Therefore, it may not happen one go at one day decision, but the certain step we have already the positive step we have already initiated, we can see. But number is so huge, we cannot take decision immediately, right? There's certain procedure to be followed, certain step to be followed, a certain formula to be adopted, right? So therefore these are the things like which will support them. So I think neither we can say no or yes today. Yes, but definitely government is on positive, and we are working the formula how to get them positive support to them. Question of absorption doesn't arise as of now, but the problem is, look, all the SSA teacher, the salary component come from the government of India and the government of Meghalaya, right? So it means I'm not talking about the schools. Yeah, I know there are many schools run by the churches, run by the society, run by the community, owned by the community, right? There is they have got the SSA funding also, right? But the teachers are being paid from the SSA fund, right? Because now the salary is going DPT, right? The direct transfer to the account. That means they are SSA teacher. Government, if the government decide today, it's a big huge financial burden on the state, which is not possible. But we have to step by step at a right. We are on the positive note, definitely. So maybe it may happen today. It may not happen today, but it may happen tomorrow or day after. But government is on serious. We are exploring all possible ways and means. We are working out the formula how to support them, how to give them a job security. Number one is their job security, right? So most of them SSA are worrying that in 2026 SSA program will be over by the government of India. So if that over, definitely that will be handed over to the state government. State government will have to take them over. So there is no way out. So I'm sending them out from the profession doesn't arise. Government to take this responsibility, and government, earlier 90:10, but today state government has to bear the 30% of the salary component today. So next year will be the 35. 2026 will be the 40:60, right? 27 or 28 will be 50:50, right? So government is exploring and leaving no stone unturned to support them to address that issue. Yeah. It will not. Government of India, since school is already opened, the closing down of the school doesn't arise, and no human being, no government will decide so. Though it's a government of India discontinue, state government should take over. There is no way out. But we don't know what kind of formula will be applied, what kind of policy will be adopted. That will decide tomorrow. But as of now, SSA is definitely a part. It is within the department, within the system, and they are the part of the family of the education department. But to me, we are, as rightly said, we are exploring all better possibility, right? So maybe, at the end of the day, it may be that, it may be this, right? But we are not yet decided anything as of today. But we are exploring the best possible way. So if if we decide so, yeah, that will consider of all angles, right? So, we have to find a way.